Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you have stable internet connection, but you cannot use the browser and Google Play Store or any network apps on your Samsung Galaxy S23 Plus. So first let's try to open any website on our browser. As you can see, there's a problem. Next we have Google Play Store. And if we try to download something, it changes into the pending mode and won't begin the actual download. Now to fix both of these issues, we'll need to open the settings, scroll all the way down to find the general management, enter the date and time, and right here enable automatic date and time. Now if you go back to your Google Play Store and try to download the game, it should actually begin. And the same thing with Google Chrome, so we can refresh the page that we tried to reach, and here we have it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.